Welcome to another episode of MissPlanIt Home.
As the title says, it's the big reveal. I wanted you to see how everything came together. So, welcome to my home. This is the very front of my house, and I just want to show you a little bit of an overall, and we're going to go to some of the details. So, let's take a look at specifics now. So, the first wreaths we made were the very simple ones. They were the smaller ones. I want to say they were 14 inches, and we just put those Dollar Tree bows on them. So I wanted you to see how I use them. I use them on my dormers, and this is one of my dormers, and look how elegant, and it didn't cost but $5 each. So that's $15. But look at the statement it makes. Simple and elegant. And you can use it year after year. That's what I always look for when I'm decorating my house for any event. What can be sustained that I can reuse? So that's the first wreath we made. Now let's go to the ornament one. So I use the ornament wreaths on my larger windows and as well as my front door. So it's just a cohesive look. I like to keep it simple. I like for it to be elegant, and I like it to look expensive, but I don't want to pay the cost. I'm just going to be frank with you. So remember, these wreaths were the 18-inch wreaths, I believe they are, and they have the Dollar Tree bulbs on them and the Dollar Tree ornaments on them. So these wreaths were the ones that cost more, around the $7 to $9 price range, or it might have been cheaper because I think I got some things on sale. But I can't remember the exact cost, so if you need to, go back to last week or the week before episode, and all of that cost is there in that video. So this is on my big picture windows. I did this as well as the front door. So let's move to the front door. So as you can see on my front door, I just added a couple of oversized ornaments. They were also purchased from the Dollar Tree, just to make my door wreaths stand out a little bit more from the ones that are on the picture windows. So you can see that we have the larger ornament wreaths on the doors, and then I paired it with the smaller simple wreaths that I have, the same ones I have on my dormers, on my side windows, and it just pulls it all together. The one thing that we did not do together were the swags, and that's because I ran out of time. And you know why I ran out of time? Because we were finishing the touches on our DIY bride wedding planner. This is the front door. It just comes together seamlessly. I love how it looks. So we carried the same ornament wreaths to the, I guess, second part of my house, or the side part of the house. And let's go ahead and show you that right now. So as you can see, underneath the dormers on my lanterns, I've attached those $1 wreaths from the Dollar Tree with a $1 bow and the $1 and $2 worth of Dollar Tree ornaments, and it just ties it in perfectly. It's the perfect size, and so I just wanted you to get an idea of how you can decorate the front of your outside of your house for the holidays at such an economic price, and no one will believe that this wreath costs less than $5. You can do it. Trust me, you can. All right, let's move to the other side of the house. So as you can see, we continued with the ornament wreaths on the front, the additional front facade of my house. This is actually the windows that are on the front of my garage. Anyway, so I just wanted you to see how it all carries over. Please ignore my grass. It hadn't been cut because we got a lot of rain. So anyway, that is the whole look. So now I'm going to try to give you an entire front facade look so you can see how it all comes together, and hopefully I won't get stuck in the mud. All right, guys, so there you have it, my little French country home with the traditional but elegant and inexpensive Christmas decor. Had a blast doing it. I hope you learned some things. I hope you were able to use some of it on your own homes, and great. Looking forward to the holidays. Great time hanging out with y'all, and don't forget, wait for your discount code for the new DIY bride planning planner. So excited. Don't forget to tell me what you think about it, if you like it, if there's something we need to work on. I value your opinion very much. So until next week, guys, see you soon. Take care. God bless.